go, let's review.
Come on.
See you, nerdy.
Deserve. Don't mind it. You're bully.
Look at Elaine, she's sleeping.
Take a photo.
Look at her face, it's so funny.
Okay, good news to you. Are they bullying you?
Since the first day of school.
You tell your advisor about this.
No, because I'm scared.
Sorry, I will take care of this. Everything will be okay, Lane.
Thank you for being here.
Let me talk to your classmates. Can I talk to you for a second?
Okay, what is it all about?
It's about Elaine. Can you stop bullying her?
Bullying? It's not bullying. It's just for fun.
It's not fun when you're hurting someone.
Okay, we'll apologize to Elaine.
Elaine, come here.
We're sorry, Elaine. We promise not to do it again. Are we cool now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what is... Well, I so...
No, because
Sorry, I'll take or tell na.